What's up, y'all? PB Henry here, back a year later after racing the late model. I think a year ago this month. We had some issues with the motor, if you recall. Fuel pressure went to like 10 or 20 or something like that. But anyway, we finally got some quotes. I've been shopping around. If you didn't know, I actually got married last month. So engagement, marriage, that took a little bit of time, a little bit of money and effort. But we are back, going to go racing. But we got to pull this motor, so we're actually going to start pulling this motor today. And then we will hopefully have us a new motor within a few weeks. So let's get to it. All right, so what we're going to do first, we're going to pull off these headers. And then we have to send off just the block itself, so everything has to come out or off the motor. I'm not sure if we can keep the transmission and all that in there. We'll find out. Never pulled a motor out of one of these cars, never installed one, so it's a first time for everything on this, going through the whole process. Yeah, so if you see something that looks like, oh, why did you do it that way? Probably because I didn't know best. Because, well, first time for everything, and I guess we're just gonna learn as we go. But yeah, hopefully hopefully it's good content for you. Hey, long time no see. PB introduced y'all to the video. We're working on one of two big projects, if that dirt dauber don't mind not landing on me. And so we got the headers both off. You haven't done anything for the second one yet, have you? No, we haven't. So no spoilers. So radiator fluid coming out, whatever liquid's in there. Supposed to be water, but who knows? We'll find out what's wrong with the engine and why it's doing what it did. Did you show him the gasket?
No, I did not.
Did you throw it away?
I did.
Okay, so this is the front of the car. Obviously. Passenger side, seat, driver side. The driver's side is the one that was messed up. Yes, the driver's side is the side that we've been having backfire issues on. We've had all sorts of issues. Heating, you could definitely tell that it was getting more heat over here. And so we took the gaskets off. PB Dunnan got rid of them. But
my bad.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying he got rid of them, so I can't show you. But this side was absolutely burnt to pieces, and the other side was all right. I wouldn't say that there was anything really wrong with that side. Would you?
No, it was actually very good. I mean, it looked like it, you know, just fairly used. You know, you could tell it was used, and that was about it.
Yeah. So that's a sign that we definitely had something wrong on this side. Oh, I did not think that through. Huh? Got the shirt hold up. Good. Wanted to test it. Buy one of our shirts. Oh, was that recording? I just turned it on. Oh, that was not planned. I didn't know. It can't see our faces. Oh, it can. Hey. Yeah. The searchforspeed.com. You can't even see it probably. It's probably got old all over it. Hey, it held up through the oil. That'll make it to social media. You can buy from... Nope, don't buy any of their merch. Hold on. So, radiator's out.
Oh, where'd the half go?
PB is on power steering duty.
No, technically water pump, but the...
Oh, water pump.
The power steering is what adjusts the belt.
Yeah.
So
he's on burn the burger duty. Good job.
A literal roast.
Burn. So yeah, in one day, we've gotten quite a bit done. I think this is the most we've gotten done in a single day on a car in a while.
Yeah, I would say so.
That's a good thumbs up. Yeah, in all seriousness, while he is working, we do fund all of our stuff. We don't have any other sponsors. So if you would like to help this project,
help us continue racing, you can visit thesearchforspeed.com. We do have some shirts and stuff, more coming. Working on a few that are really cool. I like them. And yeah.
Well, of course you like them.
Yeah, I design them. But
no, but they are all good.
They are good. Shirts are very comfortable, held up while working on them. We work on them.
Oh.
We work in them all the time. They hold up. A lot of them are like that. Well, that's one of them. It's got all the different late model classes.
It is cleaner when it is shipped.
But we started that up. I've always enjoyed designing shirts and stuff like that. And so we decided to go ahead and start. So you can go to thesearchforspeed.com and get yourself a shirt. And we get to continue racing. We'll have one for the special project coming up soon.
Yes.
I'm gonna keep mentioning special project because I'm super hyped. So
I actually am very hyped about this project.
Special project.
You got a feeling this is not going to be big enough.
You know, it'd be cool. It's like a 3D.
Oh,
printed.
no wonder. I was like, why'd that gasket come apart like that? It's because the gasket came apart.
Okay, so we finished up radiator, water pump, pretty much anything with the water system. We got
all the hoses off.
We got it off, taped up.
The only thing left is the fuel
so
pump.
nothing else gets in.
Fuel pump, or the whole fuel system. We just gotta take this bracket off.
Yep, so we got fuel and power steering, but that'll be in a part 2 probably. I'm thinking of just whatever we filmed today. We've done a lot for once, so probably today.
A lot for us, hold on, a lot for us.
Yes, a lot for us for once. So, and to reiterate what PB said in the beginning, we're not professionals. We're out here having a good time, sharing our story. If you have anything helpful to comment, help us out if you need to or want to. We would appreciate it. But we aren't professionals to know exactly what we're doing. Probably didn't do stuff exactly correct, but we're out here having fun. So be sure to support us on thesearchforspeed.com if you want to. We also have an iRacing Discord. If you want to join that, you can go there through that. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in part 2 of the Dirt Late Model 602 Teardown.